What if I told you that everything you know about how to use a thought record for CBT is wrong? Stay with me for 2 minutes. A few years ago, researchers discovered something shocking about how to use a thought record for CBT that changed the entire field of anxiety relief and mental wellness. The old way of thinking was to push harder, grind more, and force results. But the data tells a completely different story about how to use a thought record for CBT. Here is what actually works. Step 1. Simplify. Remove everything that does not directly move the needle on how to use a thought record for CBT. Step 2. Automate. The best performers in anxiety relief and mental wellness build systems that handle how to use a thought record for CBT on autopilot, freeing their brain for what matters. Step 3. Measure. What gets measured gets improved. Track your progress on how to use a thought record for CBT weekly, not daily. Daily tracking creates anxiety. The people who fail at how to use a thought record for CBT all share one thing in common: they try to change everything at once instead of focusing on one thing. Here is the one thing to focus on this week. Pick the smallest version of how to use a thought record for CBT you can do in under 2 minutes. Do it every single day. The compound effect is real. Tiny actions on how to use a thought record for CBT today become massive results in 6 months. Start before you are ready. Subscribe for more anxiety relief and mental wellness strategies that actually work. Drop a comment telling me your biggest challenge with how to use a thought record for CBT.